Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Moto G Play smartphone that is frozen or unresponsive. I'll be going over some easy fixes that you can try to hopefully get your Moto G Play smartphone working again. Let's get right into the video, and obviously I should say this at the beginning of the video. If you have a different Moto G phone, then these will likely apply to your phone as well. So if you don't have the Moto G Play, but you have a Moto G something else, then these might apply to your phone as well. So, if it makes sense to try them, then give them a shot, okay? Okay, so let's get right into it. Obviously, just for clarity, my phone is responsive, but this is what I have done and will do if it is unresponsive. So the first thing, and probably the easiest and most successful thing to try, is to try a hard reset. So to try a hard reset or a forced restart, you're basically forcing the device to restart using buttons, okay? Because it's not responsive on the touchscreen, so you're going to use buttons. So what you want to do is press and hold down on the power and volume up buttons for about 5 seconds until the screen turns black. And I would recommend that you continue holding them down for many more seconds until the phone restarts, okay? Because when you hold them down for about 5 seconds, the screen will turn black and the phone will shut down. It'll force it to shut down. But if you just continue holding them down, most likely it will start up again. So it just forces it to restart, okay? And don't be afraid to hold them down for a few extra seconds because sometimes there's a delay. If your phone is unresponsive, sometimes there's a delay in it recognizing what you're doing with the buttons. So try a hard reset, okay? The second thing that you want to try is plug it into a charger and unplug it. Sometimes this actually works, believe it or not. Sometimes it's a glitch that, might cause you to need to plug it into a charger. Obviously, make sure your charger is plugged into the wall. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. It's not plugged into the wall, mine, so you're not going to see it light up. But this is, like I said, this is what I would do. Plug it into the charger, okay, and unplug it. And if you want to, try it a couple times. Plug it in, unplug it, I don't know, 2 or 3, 4, 5, 10 times. Just give it a shot. Believe it or not, sometimes this works. It's a simple, easy fix. It's not necessarily a common fix, but sometimes it works. And it's so easy that you might as well try it, okay? Number 3, this might seem obvious, but I want to say it anyways. Give it a couple of minutes. Sometimes even the best smartphones, even the most technologically advanced phones will freeze up and become unresponsive. It just happens. All devices do it. It's part of technology. So ask yourself this. Have you waited 3, 4, 5 minutes yet? Okay. Sometimes people, it's unresponsive and like within 30 seconds, they're already like, let's go. What's wrong? Right? Give it a few minutes. On occasion, all technology freezes up. So give it a couple minutes. If you've given it already 5 minutes, then obviously you can skip over this step because, if it doesn't unfreeze within 5 minutes, it's probably not going to unfreeze by itself anytime soon. And you're going to have to take action using the other steps that I've spoken about. Lastly is number 4, is basically if it's unresponsive, okay, and it continues being unresponsive, even if you force restart it and it's unresponsive and it freezes up, you want to start it in safe mode, okay? So to start it in safe mode, essentially you need to start the phone. So we're going to do if it's unresponsive, you're going to do the hard reset to turn the phone off and start it up again. And then once the phone starts up again, you're going to do the following. So what I'm going to do is I'll turn the phone off. I'll show you how to start it up in safe mode. Okay, so safe mode essentially disables all third-party applications. So you can see if maybe it's a third-party app that's causing the problem. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to power the phone down. So we're going to power it off, okay? And we're going to imagine that you just powered your phone off. It was unresponsive. It's continuing to be unresponsive even when you restart it. So you're going to try and start it in safe mode. So to do that, you're going to power it on. So press and hold the power button to power it on until the Moto logo appears, okay? Once the Moto logo appears, release the power button, wait 2 to 3 seconds, and then press and hold down on the volume down button until the phone starts up. So we're going to show you right now. So I'm going to press and hold down the power button until the Moto logo appears, okay? Release. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold down the volume down and hold it down. Just hold it down. And then what's going to happen is your phone, if you timed it properly, should start up in safe mode. And then if it works in safe mode, then you can troubleshoot and try and figure out what apps or apps are causing the problem. Right? It happens sometimes. Like I said, this is just part of technology. So I'm continuing to hold down that volume down button. Okay? Look at the bottom there. Safe mode. We've now started the phone in safe mode. Okay? So I'm going to swipe up. You would experiment here. Hopefully it works at this point. But then when you're in safe mode, to get out of safe mode, what we're gonna do, just so you know, I don't want you to be stuck in safe mode. You're gonna swipe down from the top, okay? You're gonna get a notification. You gotta give it a moment here. So just give it a moment here to start up. You're gonna get a notification that it's in safe mode and you can tap to get out of safe mode. So I'm gonna swipe down. There we go. Safe mode is on. Tap to turn off safe mode. So I'm going to tap that right there. Turn off safe mode. Yeah, click turn off safe mode and it's just going to restart. Okay. So that's it. Try those out. Hopefully you get your phone, your Moto G Play smartphone working again. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.